Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix FaceTime not working on iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So actually, if you have some issues with your FaceTime, the first thing you need to do is to open your iPhone settings, and then in this list of options you need to scroll down and find FaceTime right up here. Then you need to disable FaceTime, and after a few seconds you need to enable it. After that it will restart your FaceTime application. It can be one of the solutions of your problem. So actually you can change caller ID, you can click on your email, or you can click on your mobile phone to change it. So if you still got this problem, the second thing you need to do is to go back to this page, then scroll up and click on the general options, then click on the software update, and then you need to check if you have new updates available. If you have, you need to download the last version of your iPhone. So actually it will fix your problem. So another way how you can fix this problem is to go back to the general options, then scroll down and then click on the last option, shut down. Restarting your phone maybe will fix some issues, bugs, glitches, and FaceTime bugs too. So actually, if it doesn't help, you can click on the transfer or reset iPhone, then click on the reset, and then click on the reset all settings. It will reset all your iPhone settings, and it will fix your issue. So, and that's all. And that's how to fix FaceTime not working on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.